Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we got this yellow shaded quadrilateral ABCD that consists of two right triangles. This right triangle ABC and this other right triangle ACD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this side length AB is 6 units. The side length BC is 16 units. And finally, this side AD is square root of 365 units. And bear in mind that these are our 90-degree angles. And now our task is to calculate the area of this yellow shaded quadrilateral ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And now let's make an observation. We can see the area of this yellow shaded quadrilateral ABCD is going to be equal to the area of the triangle ABC. We are talking about this triangle ABC area plus the area of the other triangle ACD. We are talking about this triangle ACD area. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of this triangle ABC and the area of the triangle ACD as well. And now let's focus on this right triangle ABC. And now we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle to calculate this side AC. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, this side AC is our hypotenuse, whereas our two other legs are 6 and 16. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 6 square plus 16 square is going to be equal to the side length AC square. Let's simplify. That's going to give us 36 plus 256 equal to AC square. So therefore our AC square length turns out to be 292. Now we are going to undo this square by taking square root on both sides. And here we can see the square and square root undo each other. So therefore our side length AC turns out to be 2 times the square root of 73. So thus this side length AC turns out to be 2 times the square root of 73. And now let's focus on this other right triangle ACD. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle as well. And here's our Pythagorean theorem once again: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is square root of 365, whereas our two other legs are 2 times square root of 73 and this unknown side CD. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got CD square plus 2 times square root of 73 whole square is going to be equal to the square of this hypotenuse 365 square. Let's simplify furthermore. So we got CD square plus 292 is going to be equal to 365. And now we are going to subtract 292 from both sides. And here we can see this 292 and negative 292 gone. So therefore CD square turns out to be simply 73. And now I am going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. And here we can see this square and square root is gone. So therefore our side length CD simply turns out to be square root of 73 units. So thus this side CD turns out to be square root of 73. And now we are going to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 16, whereas the height is 6. So therefore the area of this triangle ABC is going to be a half times our base is 16 times the height is 6. And if we simplify everything and multiply, that is going to give us 48 square units. So thus the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be 48. And now we are going to calculate the area of this other right triangle ACD. And once again we are going to use the very same area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times the height. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 2 times square root of 73, whereas the height of this triangle is square root of 73. So therefore the area of this triangle ACD is going to be a half times the base is 2 times square root of 73 times the height is square root of 73. And here we can see this 2 and 1 divided by 2, they are gone. So therefore when we multiply square root of 73 and times square root of 73 is going to give us simply 73. So thus the area of this other triangle ACD turns out to be 73 square units. And here's our final step. Let's recall this equation once again. The yellow shaded area is going to be equal to the area of the triangle ABC plus the area of the triangle ACD as well. And here we figured out our triangle ABC area as 48, whereas the area of the triangle ACD is 73. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So we got 48 plus 73. When we add these two numbers, that is going to give us 121 square units, the area of this yellow shaded quadrilateral. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this yellow shaded quadrilateral ABCD turns out to be 121 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.